Okay, now we are printing with multi-well plates, and it has 6 wells, and centers are marked in this plate. So in macros, go into well plate printing and click take to position 1. So it will tell you to insert the well plate on the bed. So place the well plate on the bed and push this knob and tighten the screw. So once done, click OK and wait for the homing and access to start. Once the axis is stopped, insert the barrel and connect the hose, and make sure your barrel adapter is 0 degrees. It should not be like this, it should be like this. So make sure it is touching the well plate bottom and it is in the center. So once it's in the center, tighten the knob. So make sure it is rigidly fixed, then click OK. So now we will try for extrusion testing. Click OK and put a plate. So now this is in head 3, so we are adjusting the head 3 pressure to 0.4 bar. So now set to 0.4 bar and click extrusion, test extrusion 10 mm. So the extrusion looks little overshooted, so I am changing it to 0.35 bar. Then click OK. Try once again the extrusion. So still little bit higher pressure, so we will make it to 0.3 bar. Click OK and again test extrusion. Now it looks fine. So take out this plate, click OK, and now click position XY center. So now the nozzle should be slightly touching the well plate bottom. Click OK. So now everything is set. We can give OK and click on files, go to jobs, and in G code directory come to well plate and select any of the G code you want to print. So now we are selecting circle lattice head 3.4 mm well plate. Click and give yes. So it will start print. Okay, now the printer has formed. So if you want to continue to different wells sections, so you don't need to remove this plate and do the same process. So let the material be in the barrel like this on the third head itself. So what we can do is go to control, dashboard, and in well plate printing, now click take to position number 2. But before doing that, so this barrel has been tightened, so we don't want that to be tightened. So just loose this barrel and it should freely move. Now click take to position 2, and the well plate is already in the bed. Click OK. So it will home and it will go to the second position. So by seeing from the front, the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now the barrel is positioned at second wheel, and we can just touch the barrel nozzle to well plate bottom and we can tight. And we don't need to do extrusion testing because we have already set the pressure to this particular material. Give OK, then again OK. If in case you want to test for extrusion, you can do it, or else you can continue. So click position XY center, then click OK. Now continue to G code section. So go into files, click jobs, and now it is in G code directory. Click well plate, and last time we have selected circle lattice, so this time we can select cube lattice. Click on cube lattice, click yes, so it will start printing. So now the printing is done. So if you would like to continue to position 3, 4, 5, 6, you can continue on the same method, or you can take out the well plate from the machine. So you can see the printing. Okay, now we will show you how to print different material in this same well plate. So the same process has to be carried out. Go into control, dashboard, and in well plate printing, click take to position 3. The well plate is already in the bed. Click OK and wait for the axis to stop, and make sure this knob is loose, so it should freely move. So now suppose you would like to print with different material, what you can do is you can just disconnect the hose and take out the barrel, and you can swap new material into this head 3. So just insert the barrel and connect the hose. So make sure the barrel is facing in this way, and check whether the barrel is in the center. Now tighten the knob. So check whether it is firmly tight. then give OK. So now we have changed the material, so we should check whether the pressure is set to the particular material or not. Just give OK and put a plate. So the pressure is now at 0.35 bar. So we shall try to extrude some material. So give test extrusion 10 mm. And the material extrusion looks fine, so we don't need to adjust the pressure. Then take out the plate and give OK and click position XY center. Now the nozzle is touching the well plate bottom. Click OK. Now we shall go to G-code section. Into files, jobs. In G-code directory, it should be on well plate. So we can try circle lattice once again. Click and give yes. So now it is printing with a different material. So you can change different materials for different wells. So after printing, you can take the well plate out and you can use it for your post processing. So once the homing is done, you can loosen the screw and we can take off the well plate.